Hello everyone. Once again, I welcome you all with Brian and Alex for this new video on mechatronics hands-on learning for understanding sensor technology. In this video, we are going to see the working of LCD screen. For this, we are using a 16 into 2 LCD screen and we'll try to see how the message given through the code will appear on this screen. So you can see here this screen has two rows and each row has 16 bits. In other words, the cursor may move with 16 different places in one row and then 16 different another place in the second row. So that we will see once we will go for the coding of Arduino. So the objective for this program is to use 16 into 2 LCD screen and to verify the code, the message which we are writing through the code. For this, we need a breadboard, Arduino UNO, connecting wires, LCD, resistors, and potentiometer. So if you go to the circuit look like this experimental setup. And to make this circuit, we will use this circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, you can see we have 12 pins on our LCD, and these 12 pins will be connected in a way which is shown over here through this Arduino board. So you can see here all the pins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, for this fifth pin is not connected. This fifth pin will go to the ground of the Arduino. So this you can make one correction with this circuit. Rest is fine. So when you connect all the pins of this LCD screen with your Arduino, as per this diagram, and you will use one potentiometer and one resistance also like this, which is also you can see on your circuit. So if you make the circuit, and then the second step would be to write your code. So before code, let's see how the experimental setup look like. So this is your experimental setup in which you are connecting your LCD screen through one resistance here, one potentiometer here, and all the connections which we have already seen on our circuit diagram are connected like this. Now let's see the code first, then we'll see the working of this setup. So in this, you see, first we have to install this hardware with our Arduino sketch. So for this, we'll go to the manage library. In manage library, when we will click, then we will see library manager. We will write here our liquid crystal and we'll search it over here. So we will write liquid crystal. So it will come when you will search. And if it is not installed with your system, then you can install. If it is already installed, then no need to install it further. Okay, so you can see it is already installed with my system. So I'm not going to install it again. So after installing your liquid crystal, the next step would be to write the code. So you can see here we have the liquid crystal pins which are connected with our Arduino. So the pin number are specified over here. We are defining our LCD, we are beginning and with our 16,2, which I already told you, the two rows with 16 cursors in each line, and where we are making clearing the any any signal which is already given to this LCD screen before to this program. So that program we are clearing here. And now we will go to the main program in a loop, and you can see the we are setting the cursor first at 0, 0 position means the first row, the first cursor position, and we are writing the code welcome. We are giving a delay of 3000 milliseconds. So it will stay for 3 seconds over there, and it will take a delay, and then the screen will clear. On the second row, we are using the first cursor. Zero means the first cursor position, and one is the second row. And we are displaying the message mechatronics, and we are again giving the delay of 3000 milliseconds. So let's see how this code will work first. So for this, we are running our code. Once we run, then we can see what will happen. So you see the one welcome will appear, then the mechatronics will appear, and the welcome mechatronics is continuously appearing on this LCD screen. As we have given a line LCD clear over here, so this first line is appearing and disappearing after a certain time, which we have defined through our code. And this zero represent that the code will start from the first bit in first row, and here it will start from the first bit of the second row. So this you can understand through this code. If I change anything here, suppose in place of mechatronics, I'm writing Arduino. I'm running this code again. Then your screen display will change according to the code written over here. So you can see here, now it's a welcome Arduino. So I hope the concept of LCD screen, how you can display your code or the text through the code is clear to you. Thank you very much.